Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we're at the Hunters Valley Winery. According to their website and print literature, Hunters Valley Winery is located 30 miles north of Harrisburg, overlooking the Susquehanna River in Liverpool, Pennsylvania. The owners invite you to taste test their great selection of varied and delicious wines. At the time of this video, the winery was open Mondays to Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m., Fridays and Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., and Sundays noon to 5 p.m. Hunters Valley Winery has events throughout the year. Check their website for dates and times. Outside, there is plenty of seating and parking and rows of beautiful grapevines to view. Thank you for joining me today at the Hunters Valley Winery. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.